Good afternoon. I'm Betsy Johnson. I have the privilege of representing Senate District 16 in the Oregon Legislature. I'm speaking to you today from OMIC, the Oregon Manufacturing Innovation Center in Scappoose. The purpose of visiting with you today is to thank you for your participation in Manufacturing Month and more specifically in Manufacturing Day. This has been an opportunity for us to introduce young people to the many possibilities of manufacturing, the high-paying jobs, the new technology. So often we think of manufacturing as being in old places that are not clean and high-tech. What I hope we have shared with you is that technology pervades manufacturing right now. Whether it's in a mill where computers get every ounce of value out of a log, or whether it is in laboratories where we learn how to use the fanciest, most precision cutting tools to make things go faster, lighter, greener. We hope we've had a chance to spark your imagination to consider a career in manufacturing, to do well in your career technical classes, and to think about the opportunities afforded young people with jobs that pay well, with benefits, where you have a chance to make a lifelong professional career in pushing Oregon's economy forward and in pioneering the new techniques, whether it's aerospace, marine, transportation. You will be the scientists, the researchers, the builders, the mechanics of the future that create a bright economic landscape for our state, our region, and our country. Thank you for participating. I wish you the best in your classes. If there's anything that we here at OMIC can do to encourage you to think about a career in high-tech manufacturing, we're at your disposal. Don't hesitate to call us. Thank you.